Hello, and in today's episode of Beardchanics Garage, we do the carbon interior trim fit, take 2. See if this one fits.
Alright, so we've kept it sealed, so that way, we will find out together how it is. In the premium
It's a box!
See? Looks like high quality, made in Britain.
I'm sure that's exactly what it says.
They make sure to take out the one that wasn't right.
Oh,
God forbid, after I ordered the kit 1st of December.
yeah.
And we are what?
It's
20th of February.
yeah, most of the way through February now.
It is the second kit, but yeah. Already a surface. That's just makes that wear off, but at least it's not.
It's just a bit of sticky stuff, is it?
Yeah, I mean, let's check all the qualities first. Better finish, good finish on this as well. This seems to be fine too. None feels the edge as well, I guess.
Yeah, because there were some bits where it looked like it had been cut
Yeah,
just by hand with a knife and
that
not very
seems
well.
okay.
Like he was cutting it and sneezed or something.
Maybe a bit. Maybe there isn't a bit of irregularities here again, Because that's the one from this door, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is the back.
Oh, okay.
And that is underneath, so
It's the other side.
we've got the wrong side. There we
So
go.
there's still a gap at the top. Yeah.
A bigger gap than on the last kit, and it's still too long. Like that, I guess. You can, if you stick it like that,
So you push it up really hard.
push it up really hard on like that, it will go fine.
There's also,
But it's still not. You can feel it if you put your finger. It's not right.
yeah,
That's been trimmed by hand as well.
yeah, and also just back here, it looks like there's a bit of the. I don't know if you can get that on camera. It doesn't look right, does it? Yeah, that's just there.
It's still too long, Look here, it's still too long here.
Yeah,
Their mold is just too long. I mean, we'll be able to cheat because, I cannot be harsh playing the game of resending it all the time. Yeah, that's fine as
yeah,
well.
that fits, and that looks really cool.
Alright, let's. Should we just try them all again before we have an
Yeah,
order?
I think so, yeah.
Let's not get caught like last time.
Yeah.
And now is that, guys, for even a bigger cock-up. Look at that. Oh! So the whole kit, this is clearly right-hand drive, because it fits there.
Yeah.
This is for the left-hand drive.
Yeah. So,
So there is no way this will fit there.
yeah, it's completely
So
wrong.
even though I was ready to use the bad bit and try to make it work, I cannot again use it at all because it simply won't fit there.
No.
That's
There's no point having
incredible.
that bit original in the Vestal carbon fibre. It doesn't work, does it?
It's just mental, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Mental.
crazy.
Mental. And that's when you're trying to, it's a replacement.
Yeah.
The customer is already not satisfied. Since December, I'm out of 200 odd quid, and I still can't put the bloody trim in.
Yeah, that's not good at all.
And they offered nothing for the cost of me sending it back to them.
Really?
Nothing at all. There is zero compensation so far for all the trouble.
Yeah.
And here you go, guys. Very short-lived video. I mean, customer service at Ultimate Custom,
Definitely not
terrible. I mean, you've got to appreciate first, how cheap they are. But, considering I have to cover the cost of sending them the first cost back, they actually take time to take the one piece that is left on my car. And not only that, they fuck it up even more than last time. The piece at the front door,
Yeah.
that was better. the piece at the back door actually fitted worse
Yeah, than
than
the
the
last
last
kit.
piece.
Yeah.
You could just like, you know, you could not install it properly, slightly offset and cover it,
Yeah.
and it probably look alright. But
yeah.
even though it's written RHD on the box,
Yeah, right-hand drive. They still sent a left-hand drive.
everything else seems to be right-hand drive, apart from that bit.
Yeah.
The bit that perfectly. Here it's totally unusable because it's basically
It's the wrong side. It just won't fit.
it's upside down. It's like they've built the part the wrong way around.
Yeah. So it doesn't mean that we can't use the rest of the kit either, because then you just have the one piece that isn't done.
No. And you know, we've got picture of like the bit Lee was talking about, where the fiber is all messed up. I'll put it here.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it wasn't easy to see on video. Oh yeah, you know. So here this time it's all smooth, but there is a part where the pattern is
Yeah, it doesn't look good, does it?
doesn't look good. Another part that was clearly retrimmed by hand. When you feel the edge, you can feel it. It's uneven. And now what? I'm going to have to send that back again.
Yeah, second time.
Yeah, I'm going to give it another go at trying to remove the side panel one. But you know, I went in with like a trim remover tool, heat gun and stuff like that, and that was well on there.
Yeah, so at least the adhesive they use is pretty good. It's not coming off.
Yeah,
It's not just gonna fall off.
It's proper 3M tape, you know, so the tape is very high quality on them.
Yeah.
Well pissed off. Well pissed off, you know, it's just, what's the point?
Yeah.
Even the quality of the customer service just appalling, really appalling. You know, you offer no compensation. Didn't send in the you know, could have sent a note, sorry for all the issues so far, or a little one of their cheap stuff to say, well, you know, I had to pay for the cost of sending it back. No, nothing. Now I've got to send it back a second time.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
know?
it's really not good.
No, and refund was never offered. Huh?
They need to at least check the parts before they box them as well,
Yeah.
to make sure that they're at least cut straight.
And I'm a bit stuck, because if I can't remove my driver's side door,
Yeah.
I don't want to stay like that. You know what I mean? It's ruining my bloody inside.
Yeah.
I'm like so OCD about everything
Yeah.
matching perfectly, you know, and I spend good money to basically have inconsistency constantly inside my car.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not right.
No. Anyway, guys,
So-
you know,
That's that, I'm afraid.
we'll see you in the next one. We'll keep you up to date on those jackasses, but you know,
Yeah, keep
do
following
not
the,
buy any crap from Ultimate Custom UK. They're shit.
Yeah, we can't recommend it at all. Keep following the site.
Unless like they pull a magic trick out of the bag and actually show, you know, some sort of customer service quality, then, you know, well, I can't really recommend at
Yeah,
all.
no,
At
real shame.
No.
Oh well.
But yeah, so, you know, second carbon failure in a row, you know, it's just like incredible, you know. I should have just put in as a bloody trim.
Yeah.
It would be done and probably look cool anyway. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, give us a like, give us a comment. Have you used Ultimate Custom UK
Yeah.
before?
Yes.
You know,
How have you found them?
Yeah, no, I know some YouTube channel have used them, but mostly for like intercooler and stuff. You know, if they're just reselling the part somebody else made and that somebody else is rather good, sure the part you get is still good. But here, I'll actually put an extract here of how they describe it.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it's presented as high quality product. And
But, definitely can't agree with that
the
statement.
evidence that do not support their claim at all. Anyway, folks,
Okay, see you in the next one then.
see you in the next one. Bye.